Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox. This prevents accidental power and keeps you safe. Once done, lay the console on a soft, flat surface so the shell won't scratch. Now, find the removable base. Look for the latch or twist point near the vent area. You'll be using gentle force, not brute strength, because the stand clips in. Make sure your hands are dry and you have space to tilt the console for better access. You now press the release tabs inward while supporting the console to stop it from wobbling. Once you feel the clips compress, rotate or slide the bracket in the direction it wants to move. This aligns the clips with the exit path. If it's snug, use a plastic pry tool at the seam to ease tension, but do so gently to avoid cracking the plastic. After the bracket shifts, pull straight away, steady. Even pressure helps the clips disengage cleanly without force. You finish by pulling the stand free and placing it on a soft cloth so clips don't scratch. Inspect the clip tabs for any visible damage and test the console's balance when upright to confirm removal succeeded. If the stand won't come free, reseat it and repeat the release steps. Sometimes a slight repositioning aligns clips. As a last resort, warm the area briefly with your hands or a hairdryer on low to relax plastic. Do not overheat. That usually frees a stubborn clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.